I'm singing Ave Maria by Beyonce. She was loved in so many different ways. I'm in the darkness with no guide. I knew the curse of a losing hand, but in the case of God, oh, you've been the heaven on earth. You're my last, my first, and I hear this voice inside. Ave Maria. I belong when I'm surrounded by friends. I feel the cause around me so loud, but still go on. Know that I got you, and then I hear, oh, God, you are my heaven on earth. You are my home, you're my first. I will receive this voice inside, singing Ave Maria. Someday black and came and pass you by. Will your present making plans? Suddenly it's you and then you're there, you realize out of your hands. Baby, you get to understand you are my heaven on earth. You're where my birth. And when I hear this voice inside,